What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tucker, and tonight we're talking about Tesla stock coming up, what to expect for tomorrow, what happened today, is there a bounce coming, and why are other stocks in the market selling off aggressively to the downside. So basically, Tesla was closed at $734. It was down 8.25%, which is about $66.04. The overall stock market pretty much did bad. There were a few sectors that did okay, like 2%ish. Energy sector, gas, but overall it was no bueno. And here's some reasons why. So in China, we have the COVID lockdown. And so we're talking about Tesla right now. And so I'm gonna just branch this out to NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto. They all have the same lockdown and are all going through the exact same thing. So all the Chinese EV cars are hurting right now. And so with this problem, we have a new ramping up of the Shanghai Gigafactory. The other one, there's going to be two, with COVID issues, and that's going to delay the work process. What perfect timing, right? So there was a tweet that Elon made earlier. I'm not sure when he made this tweet, but in the news that there was a U.S. judge that said Musk recklessly tweeted that funding secured for taking Tesla private. So he's basically talking smack about Elon, saying I've got enough money to take my privately if I need to, for the sake of Tesla. There's also an inflation report that happened today. I remember, guys, I talked about that yesterday, and I gave some numbers out. They were double the numbers, so it was like a 4 point something. It was 8.3, and so that was double the number. These are other YouTubers won't say what I'm gonna say, but these are like, come on, you're gonna get double your bang right now if you play it right. It's not 50-50, but it's close to it. And so it was 4 and went to 8.3. So I'm going to show you guys a video right now about some other stocks that are having problems right now and what they're going through Yahoo Finance. So just bear with me in a minute while I get the video ready, rocking and rolling.
0.9% over the last month. That's its 17th consecutive monthly increase. Joining us now with more is Yahoo Finance's Brooke DePalma. So Brooke, break down the cost of specifically what's in a grocery bag. Akiko and I were kind of talking about that loosely, but look, Americans certainly feeling this at the grocery store.
That's right, Brian. Americans are certainly going to feel the pinch next time they're at their grocery store as inflation continues to take a toll at specifically the food at home category. Now it's up a whopping 10.8% year over year. I spoke to an economist in the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and he noted that this is the highest rise since 1980, Brian and Akiko. So quite some time since we've seen prices like this. Year over year, cereals and bakery products up 10.3%. Really leading the increase here, meats, poultry, fish, and eggs. Really the focus of today, up a whopping 14.3%. Dairy and related products up 9.1%. Fruits and vegetables up 7.8%. Non-alcoholic beverages and beverage materials up 9.8%. And this category, other food at home. Now, Brian and Akiko, that's butter, that's oils, that's sugars, that's processed food. It's up 11%. But it also includes baby food. We've been seeing that in focus on headlines across this whole entire week as shelves really see shortages of baby food across the nation. Now, I also want to specify that I spoke to another economist on Wall Street, and he told me that food and energy prices are remaining pressured from the fallout of that crisis over in Ukraine, as well as trade disruptions that are stemming from China's ongoing lockdowns, really taking a toll on core goods inflation. So what exactly does this mean for the grocery cart prices? Let's take a look at that. The average prices for the household groceries are as follows. Chicken, you're going to see $1.79 per pound. Eggs, a whopping $2.52 per dozen. 100% ground beef, $4.95 per pound. Milk, $4.01 per gallon. Now, if we head over to another aisle in the grocery store, bananas, 64 cents per pound. Oranges, $1.51 per pound. A higher cost there. Bread, also higher, $1.61. And tomatoes, of course, field grown there, $1.79 per pound. Now, you guys did talk a bit about the eggs at the top of the show. Month over month, we also saw a spike in price of 10.3%, and that's as the highly contagious bird flu hits U.S. farmers across the nation. What this means for grocery stores, well,
We'll see what that happens in the future. But with that being said, sorry. If you like these videos and you find them helpful, push the like button. It'd be cool. Or the subscribe button. And if you like these videos, that'd be cool if you push the like button. Moving forward for tomorrow, what to expect for Tesla. We have initial jobless claims coming out tomorrow, and continuous jobless claims numbers coming out tomorrow. If these numbers come out and they are positive numbers, we could see a bounce in the stock market, overall stock market. And so we talked about the S&P 500, ticker symbols SPY. It was at 490, or it was at 399, and when it went to 394, and now it went down to 392. It's just going down more. And so that's kind of like our big global compass of the picture of stocks in general. Bitcoin went down to 28,900 and something dollars. Doge went down, it's 23% down for the month. Tesla, it's $734 right now. Price levels that we talked about that we thought 750, 762, they just got wiped away, and we got left down to 734. So looking forward, we could see Tesla moving to 700 or 680. At least maybe one bounce at 680. If no bounce, the key price level is $700. But I'm gonna tell you what's up with my own opinion. If you're still watching, these are the cookies parts. If you remember that, I'm gonna start doing those again. Hopeful cookies. All right, so these are all down, everything's down right now, and we don't know when things are gonna go back up, right? But it's been down 23%. That's a lot of, that's like down a lot. That's almost 0.25% of the entire Dogecoin. And so basically we could see an exponential bounce moving up for the following couple days, or it could be really choppy, and if you hold to the top, I could see potentially, this is me with the codes for Tesla, $907, for Dogecoin, 1123.1123, and Ethereum, you're safe at 2,300. Those are good price levels to get out at. But that's just my speculation of what I said. These are just my thoughts of based on the stuff you guys see on Instagram at Tucker MLO. So I hope you guys have a good night, and I hope this information's helpful, and I hope you make a little bit of money off this bounce. But remember, that bounce is going to happen, and then it's going to go down really hard. and we're going to repeat this cycle, going down, bounce, and then up. So it's going to happen like that. So don't get caught off guard. Late.